Welcome! In front of me I have MYKRONOZ ZeTime, and I'm gonna show you how to change the watch face on this device. First, we need to wake up the screen on our watch. To do it, press the bottom button. Then we need to press and hold on the middle of the screen to open the watch face menu. Now we can swipe left and right on the screen to scroll through the list of watch faces, like this. Find the one you like and simply tap on it to apply it. For example, this one. Like that. We can also change the watch faces by using the phone app. So let's bring our phone right here. Let's open the ZeTime app on our phone. In the app, let's tap on Settings. Here tap on Watch Faces. Then tap on Select Watch Face. And here we have a list of watch faces. We can find the one we like and tap on it to apply it on our watch, like this. And that's how you change the watch face on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.